Want to quickly add lines to your Word document? Here's how. For a thin line, just type 3 hyphens and then hit Enter. To get a double line, type 3 equal signs and hit Enter. If you need a thick line, use 3 underscores and then Enter. To insert a dotted line, type 3 asterisks and hit Enter. For a triple line, type 3 hash symbols and hit Enter. And finally, to create a wavy line, type 3 tildes and press Enter. Removing these lines is just as easy. Simply click anywhere above the line. Then go to the Home tab, click the down arrow next to the Borders icon, and select No Border. The line will disappear. If you want to remove all the lines in your document, just select everything, Control A or Command A, and repeat the same process.